So today I will be hosting a little bit different thing. It's basically a thing that I will answering your questions, which you can place inside live chat, and basically that's it. I will be hosting. So with me will be one of my guy inside of Discord. It's Pero. He asked if anyone will trade New York session, and I said I will, because I'm kind of managing some strategies, so we'll be showing you how I do it. I'm just waiting for Pero. So right now he's a new guy, but he has a lot of things to learn, but he likes to be part of something. So basically I like that, because people are showing interest in trading and they're doing great things. Especially he is learning really fast, but he needs to finish high school first, then we'll go on and become a trader. So anyone can join live. Here is, as I explained, I don't know if my mic was on or not off. Sorry, I forget to take it on. So basically this is our strategy, and here is how we trade it. Basically we have here, let's go from the bot. So here we got higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, and then again higher high, and then again higher low, and now we are in a trade. Sorry, I didn't place a trade because I don't trade New York session, but right now I did because of Pero, and he didn't come. He's in the stream but not in the Discord, so he will be in the stream. All good. Yo, yeah, okay, great. So basically that's it. This is I'm not trading this because I just hop on chart to show what I will be looking at, how this strategy is easy. Basically we are right now we are 2%, so 2 RR in. Pero did you trade this one or you didn't? Is that BB? No, it's not. It's off order block. And we managed to have one more here. I will be, so one more market structure shift close under, and I will be placing one more trade on this one too. So like this. So now, for example, I will be placing on this one, not on this one. But for example, I will show you just a second. You can look everything in my Discord because I'm placing their trades that I took. So basically no trade will be there. You don't need to wait. So this one I will just mark out. Okay, I mean I need to have clear FUG to enter. I'm newbie still. You don't need, you will just take your time. You don't need to worry about. Basically this is 510, but the one reason why I am not trading this setup, even though it's looking great, good, you can see this. For example, sorry, I will just take, we don't have any, but FOMC, that's first, and we have core PPI. Just a second. No, it's not the same strategy, but it's similar. Like this is called silver bullet, and that's why I did just open because of Pero asked, so I said why not? Fuck it, let's just run it, and basically that's it. You can put this on break even, and or take, how much is this? Just a second. So this is, sorry, I'm using body candles for OB. So 512, this is 3.5. So you basically made 3.5. So if you invest $50, you will get 150. So that's great. Usually I just do, yeah, London session, for example. Here today I did 1.1, so here, but it was so nasty because it was like just consolidating without any proper movement. But here we got this, so I'm aiming for this low, but we are on a break even. I will just put this on break even. It's notification that I'm on break even, but just to know when it's gonna hit, because I'm watching something else. I'm in a trade sell position, but later entry. Yeah, that's not good. So if you are in a late entry, that's not good, because it can reverse very fast and your stop loss it's much larger than mine, as I expect, and that's why. But I know you're on demo account, so it doesn't matter, but you need to watch out for that. You can same as, for example, you can place this trade on break even, and this is for like experienced traders, and you can place here, you can see FEG, and you can place here and stop loss here. So basically you can risk 8 RR, or you can lose one, yeah, on demo account. It's all good. I'm not giving you a live account because I said to Pero, if he managed to get live account, I will kick him out, because he needs to learn first, go on demo account for maybe minimum 3 months, and after 3 months that he was doing live, analysis and live placing trades in a demo account, then he can do it. But before, no. I will blow it in 1 week. Yeah, same like me. Like I made mistakes, so I got account which is like 500, yeah, 500 to 100k, which I'm doing challenge. And basically what I did, I have one account which is swing trading, and it was same thing yesterday. So I placed trade yesterday. I will go on 4 hours because it was on 4 hours. So it was trade, and I was aiming for this one, so this 50% of order block, and I was aiming for this kind of fair value gap, this up here, and I managed to get to this level, and it was on 1.5k, which is good, great. But the problem is I placed on 500 to 100k challenge, and that's what was wrong, and I just took out and managed to make new account. But basically I could just blow up a $500 account for no reason. That's why I made new account and withdraw 1.5k. So yeah, I will be giving to Peter this 1.5k, and he will blow it in 1 day. 100%. Yeah, what with stop loss? Did it stop you? Feel free to ask anything for about trading or anything related to trading. I'm answering everything. So one of my moderator, Andrea, will show you trade coming in 2 minutes. And basically, you can come to my Discord and show anything you want. You can write, learn from people. There are much more people, but they must be verified because I don't want bots coming to my Discord. So you just before you go in, you need to get verified, and then you can get into Discord. And even I can be in a live trading session, so you can come with me and ask through video on Instagram. Oh, I mean, sorry, video on on YouTube. So you don't need to be here. You can be directly speaking with me. Anyway, so I have dentist now. What did you do with your teeth? So yeah, I got stopped. I will try not to blow it immediately. Yeah, you would. You would blow anyway. Anyway, here it is, guys. We are pushing down. What I want to see is close under this one because it's much great push. I want to stay like that. So one reason that I left New York session it's because of volatility. So I will be just watching on our 5 minute. So just because of volatility I moved on London session because I can see clearly and I don't need to rush anything. I'm kind of slow in the morning, so it suits me much more than New York session. And it's better for me to wake up early and be like working early, so it's great. As we can see on 5 minutes, you need to use both 1 minute and 5 minutes. We can see that we are having here fair value gap, which is we're bouncing 1 2 3, and if fourth don't come down here, it's gonna go more up. If it comes down here, I think it's gonna break it down there. So it's basically looking like support. If you didn't like my live trading session, you are just one big of asshole. Just to let you know, guys. So right now I'm speaking with my from my brother girlfriend, and she's asking me, yeah, basically my sister. So she's asking me if she should be going to the work, and I'm saying that she shouldn't because she got a big talent about drawings, and she can draw like two people together. It's 150 euros or 100 euros, and basically you make that 9 times in a month, you get salary like 1k a month. And I'm trying to say to her he's a great graphic designer, and she doesn't listen to me that she doesn't need to work, she just need to put work in making her marketing on Instagram and TikTok. And right now she is asking me if she should go to that job, and I'm saying no. What you guys think? Because it's stupid for someone who got the talent to do for someone stupid work. I mean, I guess it's stupid because
Yeah, it's really stupid.
yeah, it's really stupid. So basically, don't go.
Okay.
Yeah, you say quit the job and you're working 3 days in a week and get 1,200 euros, right?
Ah, to Cisco.
It's a Sesko. That's why you are fat.
Okay, probably.
I'm just joking, Sesko. It's nothing personal. Come on. Don't be mad. So basically, that's it. I mean, I didn't trade, so I just show you how to trade. I'm just joking. So I left on break even this session. It was okay push, and we can see that order block clearly worked, and that this is clearly good setup and good strategy. Right now, I just wanted to see, yeah, for example, here was same thing. So we take high, we take low, and we again have here fair value gap, down, go down. Let's go to US 30, same thing. So yeah, but right now we are looking for a buy, so here, and we have it here basically. No, we don't, sorry, it's not closed enough, but anyway, you can see the point. So moving on, that's it for trading session New York. This is why I like this strategy, because it's fast, clear. If it doesn't work out, it won't. And as I said before, like you can see clearly, if it didn't tap here or it didn't close to it, it will not tap and just move on. If it did tap 4 times, it would just go down to our TP and that's it. But anyway, I didn't trade because I don't know why I don't like New York session, but I'm showing you the strategy, how it works clearly. So let's see what Andrea sent us. Just a second. Wait. I will just a second. I will call him to the, because he needs to explain. So let's go. Just a second. He's here with me, and yeah, so people can hear you. And now I want you to explain people how did you do your trading strategy. Do you want to share your screen?
Wait a second.
Sure.
Why can't I share it on a live trading?
How you can?
No, I cannot.
You're moderator, you can.
Can we go to the general chat or something like that? No, wait. Free live session. Let's go to free live session, not live
Okay.
trading.
Okay. What's up?
Okay. I cannot share it too here.
Wait a second.
Ah, now I can. Okay, it's fine.
Okay.
So, so the basic
I want you,
goal was the
so before we start, I just want you to
so
explain people what did you do and what was your thinking behind, because many people would like to know. As
so the main strategy is like every Saturday, no, every Tuesday, like today, there's, let's say there's once a month, really nice setup for opposite trades, which occurs on between 9:30 and 11 a.m. Last week came a super trade of, let's say, 80 to 90 RR. So I thought, why not this week too? And the main goal is to after the Friday low or high sweep on Monday. So the whole Monday day needs to sweep Friday low or Friday high. So it left us to the point where you want to reach the Friday low or high. So right now, this is Friday, as you can see, and this the Friday high. It's here is the Friday low. As you can see, it's swept yesterday. I don't know in how many, uh, in which time exactly it was, but it swept, and it swept really, really high. And we have a really nice rejection here. So it tells us there's maybe a possible reversal trade. So right now I'm looking for this point of Friday low, and yeah, that's basically it. I watched it on 4 hour time frame, where the fair value gaps are, where the order blocks are. I could put like the order block like here too, but I
mm-hmm.
already have fair value gap here. I have one smaller down there, but now we are looking to minimum to reach this point of fair value gap, because we were twice rejected.
Yes.
That's
So
on hourly.
can you get back
On
on
hourly.
4 hours? Just 1 second to show you something. So basically, as you can see on left side, you said you have fair value gap, which indeed you do. Down there, down. Yeah, right here. And you said you broke up. And as you can see, when you broke up, basically that fair value gap is now looking as support because you have another fair value gap which basically eats like inversion fair value gap. Yes. So basically you can see that this works as a support. Once you break it, you can retest it. So that's a great indicator that your trade is gonna go bullish, and as you place your trade bullish, it's great indicator for that.
No, just one more thing. So let's say this is E fair
FV.
value gap.
That's correct. So you can use that, but usually inversion fair value gaps are used on 1 minute time frame because it's quick, easy, and I can show you many price action on trading view. Basically you just place one trade over FVG and aim for 2 RR, you're like 90% guarantee you will get it. So that's
Okay.
a great thing to have over New York session. So you can multiple like something adjust something inside your strategy with FVG or add FVG inside and try to like implement it.
Can I say something too?
Yeah,
I mean, I tested the strategy on FX replay and I have really positive.
great.
I have really positive balance, so PNL, profit net loss. And what I learned is that when I see something like that
Mm-hmm.
or something like that, it's or this one. Do you see it?
Yeah,
It's a
that's
it's a great indicator for me that the the price will go um, in this direction of the next candle. I don't know why, but that's what I learned
yeah. Basically,
just backtesting.
that's called yeah. That's why backtesting is like great thing to have. First and second, that's called imbalance. Basically, that's imbalance, but some people call it like FVG, which I don't, but I don't think that's like FVG itself. But they call it imbalance or opening gap, or you have that's too like how you can.
So we have a we have a rejection, big rejection right now on a 5 minute.
Yeah, kind
Uh,
of. So basically, what you saw on Andreas' profile, I mean, not profile, on his trading view, it's called imbalance, like volume imbalance, and it's called opening gap. So they use that as a, how to say, as a magnet for price. So as he said, next candlestick will go that way, and for him on his backtesting, it turned out to be true. So basically, that's how it works. So yeah, you get kind of rejection of this fair value gap on the left, bearish fair value gap, as you can see right there. You need to turn off this magnet on the left. Yes. But it's gonna go up because as you can see it filled first, it did filled this gap. Second, it did close inside around 50%, and basically now it's pushing above, and it needs to close above to be stronger to go more up.
I just want to break this These, so I can feel a bit safer for this one.
You can put I mean break even if you would like to.
Well, look at this. Look at this. Perfect example of imbalance.
Why
I
is
destroy
this
it.
keeping showing like just
Look at
yeah,
this.
basically.
And what happens? Tuk, tuk, tuk. The price
Yeah, but the
went
price
to even.
went down and now it's coming to pick up this imbalance. So
Yeah.
when it comes to pick up this imbalance, it means one thing. First, price wanna reach that point. Second, price will break that point to go more up, and then will retest again that imbalance. So you have three
Okay.
options. First, to go to that volume imbalance. Second option is to wait for like for a breakout of that imbalance. That's like second trade, and third trade is gonna be retest of that imbalance. So you can do whatever you want with only one name imbalance, like volume imbalance. So basically, tell Andrea that he doesn't know anything. That's Petar saying.
Okay. Show us profitability, Pedro.
He, pero you need to show him profitability. I he got stopped on trade like silver bullet trade right today.
It's okay.
Yeah, it's all
Happens.
good. It
Happens to the best.
yeah. To me, of course. I'm joking, of course. No, he's not joking. Hey yo,
So
don't pull
if
that
the
on me.
candle,
He
if
said
the candle,
he said
okay,
don't pull that on me, bro.
okay. Uh, I mean the candles right here on an hourly chart.
Yes.
They also can use as a order block. Both of these, this one, even more.
Mm.
But we are still 42 minutes, so we cannot say it right now what will happen in the next 42 minutes.
So we got ourselves new member, trader. Yo, hope you like the content I'm doing right now. And you all can join us if you are in the site of Discord, so you can be with us in Discord too. But anyway, Andrea is right now doing some, how to say, recap of his trade and his thinking because I wanted him to show you live Sudoku. No, I wanted him to show you live how is he thinking because he is a new trader and I think you can both can say that you have little bit of same thinking and you can help each other out and I'm here to improve in his trading and I think I can say that I help you a lot to improve and I'm here basically for him to help him achieve his profitability. So if you have something to add, feel free to say.
Good guys.
I just want to say because we are on a live and it's gonna stay on YouTube. I just want you to say why should somebody join this Discord community? Like why would somebody, I don't know, your friend, and you would say to your friend, come on bro, just come to this Discord community, it's gonna help you a lot, for example.
For me, it was the patience that you had with me, but and non-rushing process because let's say that let's say that as I read on basic pipsology,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
don't know what's the
Baby pips.
I mean the baby pips page which I and I ended up like 360 courses of it, and I pretty much learned all the theory. Theory, so it helped me a lot to understand. It helped me a lot to understand the basics, the price moving and stuff like that,
Mm-hmm.
and how I can. I mean, the most important part for me was risk management, because there were days where I get like 5, 6, 7K on a demo account,
Yeah,
but I didn't know what I was doing, and
understand.
just I left the trade just over the night, and the next day I opened it,
I remember
and
that.
it was like I went from 13K to 2.6 or something like that, and I
So,
was like, what the fuck happened? And then the next day I did the same thing just to test the strategy, and I drove down even more to like, I don't know, 500 or something like that.
I understand. Yeah,
And yeah,
you
I mean,
you
he
were
taught me the
contacting me like, what the shit happened here, and you didn't know for slippage
uh,
after closing hours.
yeah, I mean, there's many ways to lose money,
Yeah,
and
yeah, I
Stepan
agree.
helped me to solve many of them,
So,
and
sorry.
told me basically where and what not to trade.
Yeah. So sorry, just to say, my name is Stepan and I'm Dutch Trade. So just to let you guys know. And basically, I just want to ask one more question because I know that you were here inside my Discord for free. And for people who are free here, they see any result or improvement, or can I help them for free? Because somebody asked me, do they need to pay everything so they get my help? Or did you get help when it was free for you because you are now in VIP right now? I mean, you became moderator because you.
I get the help even when it was free, so
Yeah,
I don't know. If that's not a sign,
thanks.
I don't know what is.
So, one of the guys, the trader, said he is bearish in NAS from London High. So, from London High, you are. Just a second. You can hop on my stream if you like. Here you go. Or if you want to keep you can stay active here. So basically you said on NAS that you're from London High. So from London High you're talking about here.
No. That's all daily high.
No,
Like
he's
what?
saying no, I understand your, but one of the members saying that he was bearish in the NAS from London High. Okay.
Okay.
But did you take profit or did you leave it? Because I don't think you should be leaving during the PPI or even trade during the PPI. But anyway, Andrea, let's go to your. Just a second.
What I don't like about this one is
Oh, so you're waiting for
this.
London sweep. Okay. So he is waiting for London sweep, Andrea. That's basically okay.
Okay.
So before entry. Wait, but you want to sweep high and then
That
sell? That's,
me? No,
no,
I
no,
want
no,
to.
no. You
No.
want to buy. You are in a buy. I understand that. You're on when you look at the 4 hour, you're on imbalance. I mean opening gap, and you have a lot of like good pushing power above. But to be honest, in an S, if you are looking for a London high, for example, you can
Uh-huh.
see. No, I'm saying for this viewer. So basically, you can see that we are here. Discord link. Oh, you can use my Discord through here click my join my Discord now. It's Whoop, and you can just join through that. Just click get access, and that's it. Here you go. I will just send you right away. He will come to our Discord, so he will be with us here. But you're right now in a plus, right, Andrea?
Plus, wait. You mean the main account?
Yeah.
No.
No.
I started it last week, but it's fine.
But
And I didn't.
if we say
but I
for
didn't
this,
even-
if we say for this trade, are you in a plus right now?
Yeah.
That's great.
0.25 error.
Nice.
Yeah, but it didn't come really bad in a matter of seconds, you know. It's fine.
You-
I'll wait.
So guys, you can join through Discord link that I sent. It's a Whoop. You just join, get access, and you're inside. You don't need to pay anything. It's totally free. But in a Discord, you just need to get verified because of the bots. I don't want the bots get inside. So you just click here, verify, and you are in a second down here with us in a live session. So feel free to join, and let's speak about trading. I will be using YouTube live too for Q&A questions about trading and just having chit chat with you guys, because I don't know, I feel like in the morning I have a low use just because people are working their stuff and everything, and I really want to help someone because I want to reach more people. And with this kind of live, for example, around after hours, after lunch hours, you can just join and ask questions. So we have our new friend here. He came in here, so he can join freely. I will just first ask a few questions this guy when he come to us. So just so we can introduce himself. How was your job, Andrea? Or you didn't go?
I went to the job, but it went really it went really good, but I almost slept away.
Really?
I set the alarm. I set the alarm for 5:55, but I was wake up at 6:25. I don't know how I ended up like that, but
Anyway,
let's say I was lucky. But
I get it. So trader, I hope you are here. Or if you don't see, I will just see if he sees this chat. Or I didn't. Yeah, you can see this, and you can connect, you can speak, you can share video, everything. So feel free to join if you're here. So right now we are looking for Andrea's trade, and we are speaking about trading. So let's answering questions. If you have any questions about trading, feel free to ask. I will be answering for you guys, so do not worry about it. Even if it's stupid question like how can I start trading or something like that, just ask anything. Like you don't need to feel shy. First I was asking stupid questions, traders, like big traders, to get answers, and that's what made me a profitable trader. So I'm just putting you guys to that you need to ask questions. People who don't ask questions usually just stay there in the same place for years without even trying to do something with their lives. Did you hear, Andrea, something about TikTok is getting cancelled, like in America, and it's no more
Yeah,
in a week? So
in a week or I thought it's like wait, I heard it will be off from 1st of May.
first May, I don't know. People are saying like in a
Wait,
week, so but
wait.
so basically, guys, just one thing that I want to say, it's this one. So just a second. So just to want to just to show you this video, and I like it a lot, and because I got views on it. So this is my video how you can open your brokerage account step by step. This is basically like hard step by step, and you can just do yourself a favor and start your trading. You can join, same thing. Basically, you can share it, you can leave a comment if this was helpful. I would like you to leave a comment if this was helpful, because I just want to know which content should I be making. Sometimes I don't have idea about what should I be making, etc. So you can right now leave in a comment. In a comment you can leave what should I be doing. So feel free to leave a comment. I don't know which theme should I do, like how to get, I don't know, how to manage this strategy or something like that, but I don't think people want to know. Like I'm more about psychology. Do you have any idea what should I do for a new like next video YouTube? If you have anything in mind, please share, because I do not know what should I place for a second. I mean next for a next trading like YouTube video.
You can try maybe. I mean, you gave us one strategy, and there's obviously plenty of them. I personally use just two of them. Why just? Because I'm still not finished with the ICT
I told you
2022.
I told you to
Yeah,
not use double strategy. I told you just to use one strategy. Like
yeah, but right now I'm having three strategies that are positive. One is really positive, but I cannot trade it because I'm working in this time.
mhm.
So these two positives can't even make such an impact as this one alone.
Okay, so first, I agree with you in like in a view of a new trader. I can agree with you that it can make a lot of money, these two together, but you will blow up your account faster than anyone that have only one strategy. When I was learning one strategy, like I improved very much a lot in my trading journey, because if you have one for example, okay, your two trades, I can say that they are between like New York session, somewhere around, right? Yeah, so okay, you have New York session, but for example, I was using London session first trading day, then after hours it will be a New York session. So these two sessions are totally different. For example, New York session sets highs for a day and or lows for a day, and basically New York is gonna aim for one of that. What I want you to do is basically just to stick to one trading strategy. So no more than that, just one trading strategy. Because if you
Okay. Sorry.
because if you because if you stick to one strategy, it's gonna improve you a lot. Maybe this strategy is gonna give you 20 to 30% win rate. Okay, but that's not on strategy. Strategy itself works, but your problem is that you are the problem. So you are the problem because you need to improve, to adjust FVG. Maybe this kind of FVG doesn't work out. Maybe works like inversion FVG. Maybe works order blocks. Maybe works something else. So you need to find between these all concepts. You need to find what really works for your strategy to improve win rate in strategy or in anything else. So basically stick to one, do not change any strategy. So just stick to one, and I'm begging you. So yeah, but I can leave one strategy, like morning strategy that I use. Maybe that would be good concept, I mean good video.
What the fuck happened on the on this price?
You can say here, it's all free to say.
Uh, what do you think this will end up?
I don't know, I'm not kind of fan of New York session, but I can just look. Give me 1 second. I can see that we failed to break. For example, we just tapped liquidity here above. Yes, we got FVG, but this is FTB, so failed to break, and we pick up the liquidity under. So that's the first conclusion. And second one, yeah, we are going for a lows, but maybe equal lows here. No, we swept, so we are going for an under low. This can mean a lot, like especially because it's PPI and CPI. So I would say this like many times to you new traders. You don't need to trade every day. That's first. Second, CPI and PPI, do not trade on this. I only trade before, but after it I am not touching it. For example, tomorrow it's GBP CPI. I am not touching this trading setup on GBP. Do not matter. So if it's good setup, I will not use it because it's CPI. CPI can very much return everything in wrong. So right will turn wrong and wrong will turn right. So that's such a bullshit. So I would not give you that as invitation to trade on that day. But today we had only PPI, which before we didn't have anything, and after PPI we had FMC. It's nothing major, but for example this was okay. This will be something like drop a little bit, big push, but FMC will usually just take your trading like very much easily.
we are still in a trade. We are fighting for it. Let's go.
You never know. So do not exit trade if it's not stop loss or if it's not TP. You never know. I once had a trade and I was risking, as always, 5k on a trade, and I think it was maybe fourth or fifth trade on that kind of risk management, about 5k, risking 5k, and it was basically one pip that was away from my stop loss, and because I have a tight spreads inside of my broker account, I didn't get stopped, and it was around 3.8 RR. So basically that hold me, like, the trade came to TP from that stop loss. So you now can guess why I'm not exiting trade even though it's going in a drawdown.
It's fine. Just need to chill and watch. If it works on FX replay, probably it will work out here. If I don't overtrade, or if I don't go out
Yeah.
like for nothing.
If you're inside of my YouTube live, you can join my Discord. Feel free to join and be here and come with us, speak with us here on the Discord, or you can just listen if you're shy. You can just listen here. Same thing, everything is fine. But as you know, you can just come here and speak with us. And if you have any questions, feel free to ask. Please do not hesitate. I will help you. I'm trying for 2025. I said to Andrea, it was my goal to make best trading community that everyone helps between, and that's why I'm looking for everyone to come to see and to learn. Maybe you should not showing that, Andrea.
Yeah. What am I showing?
What's that about school?
Yeah, need to put some some notes on the for my students.
Okay.
PE is the hardest subject in the school for
Really?
the ones that didn't know.
For the big ones.
Yeah.
I'm just joking. You know what's funny? Because I never met a trader that's fat. So I was in a Switzerland. I was in Germany, Hamburg, or no, it was sorry, it was Edinburgh, and I was in Italy, Milano, and I was in Zagreb, Croatia. I was on meetings for the traders and people who are in trading. And basically, what I'm gonna say, I didn't see any fat dude trading. Like, every possible trader that I know was not fat. Like, how can that be? And this year I will be in Zagreb on event about trading finance, and I will be going towards that. So maybe I will take you guys like live YouTube, and just to show you guys that I'm not joking. Like, you cannot see fat people.
I have a theory on that, but I don't know how many of you are gonna like it. But I'll tell. I'll just tell. Uh, that's because traders are putting everything for the all the money to the side just for trades and not to eat. So like the
I,
gamblers. Yeah, just a joke.
yeah. I mean, in some point, it's gambling, but if you continue to do that, you will lose everything. So
Yeah, that's what I like to see, the bigger candle, like
yeah,
this one. So I have a
that's basically
order block like here. So
this
let's
would be a bullish engulfing, but it's not the bot. It's not the same. So, but you can see that we are rejecting of this order block on 50 minutes on the left.
Yeah.
Yeah. I will need to do like live sales pitch, like for my whoop, because I don't know how, because I'm like very kind of awkward situation about that. I'm not liking it to be in front of cameras. But anyway, I would need to do like live pitch. Let me see 1 minute how it looks. Just press one. Okay. It kind of broke up like market structure shift place with good displacement. It's solid displacement. So just to let you, if you are trader on YouTube, if you're here, you can answer me this. But if you're looking for a London high or a London low, depends which one it's showing. It would usually go after hours, where it's basically boring. It's so slow and you cannot get volatility inside. Maybe if there are news after, but sometimes I don't think you, like many times you don't even get a like sweep of high or low. You can correct me if I'm right or wrong, but just want to say that maybe you should be aiming for a low or a high, or I don't know. In this situation, we are aiming, like in this situation I can see that we are pushing down, but again maybe we can find some rejection. This is totally Andrea choice, but I will not pushing him to go. So just to let you guys know one thing about my teaching, I'm very new at teaching because I don't know, I never taught somebody so much, but Andrea was basically between first, and I think he learned a lot by me. And what I want to say, everyone, like when I say everyone, like every trader, no matter how much I teach you something, you will not get it done because you need to go through that hell first so you can learn for that. That's
So we lost.
yeah,
Yeah,
it was a loss.
it's fine.
It's
It's
all
fine.
good. You just need to right now journal it, and that's it. You are done. Do you have a trade in psychology? You are answering some
Yeah.
questions. Yeah. Okay, great.
Yes.
So yeah, same thing. So you got yourself a Notion journal inside my Discord. So feel free to use it in your advance and just go inside and take it. It's totally free. So I'll just go outside of Discord here, so I'm not showing you personal. But eventually, as you guys can see, we swept low and we are pushing up again, which is sad because it took Andrea outside of a trade. So I just want you guys to like, share this video, or comment something that you want to comment, and I will be answering that. But main question is, which strategy do you want to see? Because I got them a lot, but some of that strategy is not gonna work every day, but it's gonna give you basically a great RR for like many days. For example, one strategy that me and Andrea I'm testing it more, but Andrea saw it. It's Monday strategy, which gives you like around even 15 or 10 or 15 RR. But it's not everyday like strategy, it's more like a swing strategy that I did yesterday, and I got myself 1.5k, but it was on another account by my mistake, as I said in the previous live. So I just want to know if today I will be hosting, or I will be just leaving and being here because I don't have anything else to do. So I'll be here and answer your questions if there is something you want to be answered.
What's FTB on your screen right now?
So FTB is just shortcut for fail to break. Usually it's like under pickup liquidity. So you can see that we have double wick here, and we failed to break above this high. That's first indicator, and we can see that we have liquidity resting here, and we failed to break, and we took this liquidity under, and we closed under, which indicates that it's gonna go down more, if you get me.
Yeah.
So right now we can see that it's pushing up. We can use 1 minute to see. So basically this is our fair value gap. I'm sorry, market structure shift. So let's see if it's gonna broke above. If you have any question, I'm saying again, feel free to ask. You can even use a Sunday recap that I was doing, and basically that's it. So here was today trade. I just want to speak a little bit about it. I will just remove everything. Andrea, if you want, you can ask anything if you didn't understand. So basically I will just do it like this on a naked chart. So first we swept Asian high, which was perfect, great, and we're looking so good. And we then pick up this momentum. Of course, this was not kind of market structure shift that you would be using, but I'm using this and that, but it must be on one, like this market structure shift must be on like big confirmation stuff. For example, as we can see, we managed to get Asian high here, make higher high, then higher low, bounce off of this close order block, and then we made Asian high, and to make market structure shift we should be going down, but eventually we managed to go down here, and then we pushed a little bit above and then pushed back down. So with this we didn't have like clear market structure shift, because clear market structure shift is something like this. So this would be a clear market structure shift. So before going down or reversing anywhere, you want to see liquidity taken. But here we can see that we have here mitigation block. So this was mitigation block, which, so this is my rules for mitigation blocks, which overlaps with FVG. As we can see, it's overlapping with this FVG. So my trade was here, but that's not all I took, because it needs, and I am aiming for Asian low. So this is not all that I have took, because I need to have confirmation, more confirmation. So basically I took Asian, sorry, no, this is wrong. I took here. So I needed to have on this leg, I needed displacement, I needed to have confirmation that it will come to golden zone. So golden zone is basically this 0.7, 0.62. If you want to know more how to set, you can just use this setup and use it for your Fibonacci to have your basically equilibrium. And on this FVG, so I can type this is FVG plus golden zone, and on this golden zone basically means that this price is gonna come up to 0.7 or inside of it, and that we are gonna go down after it. So we have mitigation block plus FVG and plus golden zone. So this is my confirmation that that you need to know. I will get to you, Mara, in just a second. So basically we are going to we entered on this one and we went down, and I did not close my trade because we were not under. I let it ride, so one tap and that was it. So why I did that? Because I tapped 2 times on Euro USD. So this is what I mean, Andrea, when I say one strategy and only one strategy, and you can trade only one pair for the first time. So you use NES, for example, and you only pay attention to NES. Why is that? Because you want to see something like this. For example, if you're trading 4 pairs, you would not know everything about Euro USD, because I can see 2 things. I mean, one thing that's clearly visible, that even after you get one entry, you will re-enter your entry and then bounce off. This is so usual for Euro USD. This is so normal for Euro USD. Basically, as you can see, we push down even more. But eventually I left it out at 1 RR because it was news, and I didn't want here, I left somewhere, and I didn't want to play with news. But for example, you like you just learn tricks around every pair. So basically that's how it goes. For GBP USD, once you enter this kind of trade on GBP USD, you will just move on with the trend, and it's not gonna be a big deal as euro. That's why I place on euro only stop loss and TP. So Andrea, do you have any questions? No. Okay. So I got the questions. I'm late. No, you're not late, Marin, but so what is mitigation block? So mitigation block, it's basically same like market structure shift, but it's not. So you have two types. I will show you with the picture because you will know much more with the picture. For example, I cannot show this. Just a second to see. No, I cannot see. So if you don't see it, I will show it. Yeah, better to show here. So sketch. First, let's go through sketch. You have breaker block. And you have mitigation block. So what is breaker block? What is mitigation block? So mitigation block, breaker block is when it goes like this, same as market structure shift, and then you have a breaker block here on this swing point, and after that it's overlapping with FVG. So it must be overlapping with FVG here. Same thing with, so I will just mark up. So I will place BB and FVG. So where would you put your entry? Your entry would be somewhere where it's overlapping, so right here. And your stop loss is gonna be here, and you're gonna aim down there where you want. So this is a breaker block. Now let's go to your question about mitigation block. So mitigation block, it's basically going up, going down, then going up but failed to break, and then going down. So this mitigation block that I trade today on Euro USD, this is basically what happened. And then you have on swing point, you have candlestick that it's red. So you always look for a red candlesticks if you are selling. So that's it. MB. And you got fair value gap somewhere here, for example here, and this is fair value gap. Okay, so if these two are combined together and you for example have equilibrium or golden zone, you can see that this is correct situation, and you can use, for example here, I like to put on the last low and then just push down, and that's it. This is basically what mitigation block by itself, it's what you need to know. Just let me know if you did understand everything, or am I going too fast for you. I mean, you can look again, but I'm just asking. I can place it, or if you want I can show you on candlesticks just to let you like little visually to see. So only difference is that it didn't break previous high. Yes, so that's the one difference basically. It's same thing, but only difference is that. And for example, if you didn't see, I used equilibrium or Fibonacci for mitigation block because I'm kind of unsecure on mitigation block, so I want to have 3 of 3. So I want to have mitigation block, and I want to have FVG, and I want to have Fibonacci level golden zone. I'm just gonna see how many pips are this. It's 10. It's 1 pip, for fuck's sake. It won't take my TP. So for today, I will just go to toilet because I need to do, and I will be right back. Andrea, you can speak with them if you want. If not, I'll come back just a few minutes. So I'm back. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. Andrea, would you like to do one play of the game, League of Legends?
Maybe later.
Maybe later. Okay.
It's still New York session. Maybe I'll place another trade. I don't do more than 2 trades per day, so I still have time for one more.
Understand?
Do you think it's gonna take or try to take this liquidity, this side of liquidity? Look how many candles are here that are
So basically, yeah, I will agree on that. On the left side, you can see that Yeah, it's but this order block looks juicy. Like I don't know. You can aim for example, you can aim for an order block that's body of order block, not like wick of order block.
Ти снимаш?
Да. So my brother just fart at my tool. Nice, yeah. Mic is on, you stupid asshole. So my brother and I have the same. I mean, we have the same.
Same bed, same room.
It's not the same bed. Thanks God, we are not kind of that.
You love it.
No, I don't love it. Shut up. Basically, we have the same room with our PCs because we are gamers. So,
No. Artist.
I mean, he is an artist. I'm just a asshole.
Yeah,
Gamer.
thank you.
Shut up and be there. Be good boy. Marin is 100% now smiling at home and crying of laughter.
I got it home.
Would you place this trade, Stefan?
Can you call me the trades? I'm just joking. Joking. Maybe I would, but of this fair value gap.
Of this one,
Yeah,
like that.
yeah.
I don't play for 1.98 RR.
Yeah, but it's fair value gap. Why would you go above? Like, what do you have above where you place
Order
the?
block here. Order block here.
But that's not kind of good order block you wanna watch. You want to see order block with like little wicks, not like the long wick. If you do get me.
Yeah.
But it's 2 RR basically, so
Sorry,
all good.
I'm sick.
I was sick like 2 weeks and it was such a disaster. Again, guys, if you're not inside my Discord, please be free, and when you come, you can use the link in the chat, and you need to get verified first, as here Kiko said, just so we don't have fake accounts and bots. I hate that, and so we can have clearly and visible for people to learn trading. Like, that's it. Please just type in the chat if you have any questions. Do not hesitate. I will repeating myself always because people are scared to ask something. Like Andrea, like asked me questions 100 times, same question that I answered to him, and I still didn't get mad at him.
Lobby. Oh,
I was looking Andrea to.
I will put a trade.
Yeah.
Yes,
Okay.
but need to.
But just to let you know, it's after hours.
It's fine.
Okay.
Lunch break is at 12. So 228. I put it like this. I'll come in a few minutes.
Sure.
I need to go to the toilet.
So guys, what do you usually trade? Which setup? I just want to know what do you guys use as strategy? So right now what I'm looking is just normal, like just looking at the chart, not thinking about trading or anything. But you know what I could be doing? It's basically placing a trade inside my trading journal, because I did not do that today. I was too much. I was working on something else. So we had Euro USD, which outcome was win, bias not taken, emotions, it was roller coaster, same. I mean, not, it was, I would say good, it's nothing major, but it was around here, so disgusting. For example, here, this was so disgusting, like these levels just consolidating, it's just boring. So entry was FVG, I will say mitigation block, and PNL was plus 50 because I'm doing, or just a second to put correct. Just a second. So my PNL was today 52.92. So 52.92. And files, I just need to take a picture of this. I will use it like this. Nice. And then I will just place it here, choose a link. Here it is, place it, and I will connect to my personal account. That's great. That's it. So first my balance was 16, not 24, because I need to make adjustment and I need to take off this trade from yesterday or this month. Yeah, okay. So this trade I need to take away because I'm starting new. So basically I'm just a 1%, or if you want to say 10% in a, because I'm doing risk management in a different way. So this risk management is gonna be something very different. For example, I will just show you here with painting. So my risk management from 100, so from 1 to 100, from 50 to 100, it's gonna be different. Wait, I will just take this off and I will place it like this. So as I said, I'm doing 50 to 100, so 500 to 100k. I'm just Andrea showing them a risk management situation, what I'm using to build up my account. So if I'm having 500 to start with, this is how I will be doing. So I will be just risking 10%. But okay. So if you're on 100, you will be risking $10. If you fail on 200, you will be risking $20. If you are on 300, you will be risking 10%, $30. If you are on 400, you will be risking $40. And if you are on 500, you will be risking $50. So what's happening here? As you can see, yes, I'm doing 10% of everything, basically 10% of my capital. It's only the whole number, so only 100, 200, 300, 400, 500. And now the main point, between 500 and 1k, between 500 and 1k, you will be only risking 500 till you don't go over 1k. After you go over 1k, you will be risking $100, again 10%. And same thing is for 2k. When you come to 2k, you will risk $200. When you come to 3k, you will risk $300. So am I really gonna trust this strategy? I mean, risk management strategy? Yes, I will, because I did a back testing and I did it myself on a live. And what I want to say is basically that I will be using this strategy to build up this small account into a big one. I did that back testing, I think 7 times or 8 times on different years, and of that 6-7 times, I think it was 5 wins. I did it, and it was just one or 2 lose, something like that. So as you guys can make conclusion that it's working, it's perfectly fine strategy and perfectly defined strategy, so you can see that this strategy is very good for a risk management on small capitals. But again, you need to learn everything the rest to be on this kind of strict strategy, because if you don't have mentality what you need to have for a trader, you basically want to just improve in your trading. Just let me know if you hear me very much clear. If someone said yes, if they can clearly hear me very well. If not, I will manage everything inside. So if somebody didn't understand this strategy, they always can go and watch again this trading session, Q&A session. So basically that's it. Andrea, do you have something to add up?
No, that's fine.
Great. So I will just quitting that. Did you get into the trade? Okay, you're in basically. So he entered a trade here, and on what price are you, Andrea? Oh, you are sharing. Just a second. I can see that. Okay. So right now my brother is playing League of Legends. He's playing Arengar Jungle. But he's not that good. he his best rank was around, maybe I think gold, and no, yeah, gold. My rank was diamond. So that's it, guys, for today. Hope you did like these Q&A questions. It was just for randomly for fun. I will be maybe hosting like every day around night, let's say after hours around 10 p.m., which is perfectly for even people in the UK and other countries to join and see this live. So that would be one main goal, to keep it up. And I will doing like live trading every single day for 30 days, but Q&A questions I'll be just hosting, and you can join Discord. We can talk about trading usually as it is. And thank you guys for showing up. Hope, as I said, hope you liked what I was sharing, my knowledge with you guys. And that's it. See you till next day, till tomorrow. So basically that's it. Thank you and bye.